page, Desire29. Hi, thank you for stopping by my Facebook page today, Desire2928. Make lashes. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply our lashes. And the lashes that we will apply today will be the standard suite. These are beginner friendly lashes. They come with a clear band. These are 100% mink lashes. And these are the lashes right here. They're a little fluffy for everyday wear. So how you prep your lashes to apply, you will trim the inside of your lashes right here, and you can trim the outside. I like to trim both of them so they won't be as too much in the inside and too much on the outside, if that makes any sense. So I already applied my mascara on this eye. And with these lashes, by the lash band being clear, you don't have to draw a wing liner. You can just apply the lashes on top. And I know today a lot of people just put the lashes on even with the thick lash band, but these, like I said, are beginner friendly, and this is what they are made for, to just pop on and go. The lash glue that I will be using today is the Super Stronghold 3D lash glue by Kisses, Ruby Kisses. Just going to apply it along the lash band. The idea is to get your lashes to as very close to your lash band as you can possibly get them. I'm going to apply some lash glue on top of my lashes so it won't take as long to stick. This is another trick that you can use when applying lashes. And you just apply a thin coat to your lashes. Like you're drawing a wing liner, but it's going to be your eyelash glue. Okay, we are ready to apply. I'm going to take some tweezers. And this is how you know you're applying them correctly. This side to this side goes on this eye. And you can just drop them. Hold your lash down like that and you can just drop them on, and then you can... applying the lashes is for it to look as natural as possible, as though these are your lashes. And this is the final look. And you don't have to draw a wing liner, as I said before. These are clear bands, so you could just place them on and go. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms at Desire2928 Mink Lashes, and also on Facebook. Thank you for watching.